Hello everyone, I'm Manu. I work at Tomorrow Biostasis, and in today's video, I will show you how to join and use our Discord server, the Biostasis Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you what Discord is, how to download it, and how to enter our server with its different steps. I will also talk about the private sections for the members and the public ones. Before getting into details about how to use the Biostasis Hub, you may wonder, what exactly is a Discord server? Discord is a social media platform where communities interact either way with messages or live calls. We created the Biostasis Hub in order to give our members a place to connect with each other and to grow the Biostasis community. Now, let's have a look at how it works. On the left part of the screen, you have sections divided into channels. Each section has a different purpose, such as the one called Begin Your Journey, when you can find information about biostasis. Within each section, you have designated channels for specific topics. In these channels, you can read, write, or react to a message. Alright, the first step is to join the server. To do so, you just have to click on the link that you can find on our social media platforms or the one that you receive from us by email. Let's see how it looks. Now you enter the server and you are now in the new arrival channel. In the message sent by our mascot, you click on the linked channel called Step 1 Rules and you get directed there automatically. In the Step 1 Rule channel, you will have to verify yourself and accept the rules. You can do that by simply clicking on the corresponding emoji for the region you are based in after reading the said rules. And here you go, you are verified. The next step is to go to the Step 2 Roles channel and select which role best fits your profile. For example, if you are a Tomorrow Biostasis member, click on the blue cyclone emoji. Now you have access to the server and you're ready to start. Now, if you want to introduce yourself to the other members of the server, go to the Introduce Yourself channel and tell us a bit about yourself, such as your name, your age, where you're from, your hobbies, and why you're interested in biostasis. If you are not a member of Tomorrow Biostasis, I invite you to skip this part and go directly to the public channels part. If you already are a member of Tomorrow Biostasis, you can have access to a private section called Members Arena and Members Tongue. There, to get access to the channels, you will have to be verified by our staff. To do so, you'll have to write !member in the chat, which will notify our moderators. Then, we will personally check your email address by DM and then there you go, you're verified. If you aren't signed up with any Cryonics organization, feel free to dive into the Begin Your Journey section, where you can find a guide explaining each step of the journey. Additionally, since we produce a lot of content that we want to share with our community, we created a newsletter channel called Step 3. There, by clicking on the provided link, you can subscribe to our newsletter. If you're a Tomorrow Biostasis member, you won't see these two last sections. Now, I will talk about the public channels available for both members and non-members. If you want to chat with us and with the other members, or if you want to ask a question, head over the designated channels under the General section. In the Tomorrow's Board section, you will find everything related to us: announcement, blog post, polls, events, and our social media links. Our server is an open space for all people who want to talk about cryonics, technology, medicine, and longevity. Feel free to invite friends or family members that may be interested. Finally, we have a couple more sections for you to discover and many more ideas on the way. Join our server and find out what they are. We hope to see you there soon. Bye!